Hello again, everyone. Today, we're going to cover 5 quick ways to make your BatchGeo map stand out. If you've used BatchGeo before, you know it's one of the fastest ways to turn your data into a map. But with just a few tweaks, you can make it more professional and easy to use. Let's get started. Number 1. Bold your titles. Choose a title field so the most important info appears in bold at the top of every marker box. It's a simple way to make your data pop and easier to scan. Number 2. Control what's displayed. Use the marker description dropdown to decide exactly what shows. Keep it focused on the most relevant details so your map stays clean and readable. Number 3. Add images. Include a column with image URLs. Select it as the image URL field, and the thumbnails will appear right in the marker box. It's perfect for real estate, events, and visual data. Number 4. Create a custom URL. Instead of sharing a long random link, set a short, memorable map address. It looks more polished and it's easier to share. Number 5. Embed your map. Place your map directly on your website so visitors can explore it without leaving your page. And that's it. 5 easy ways to make your BatchGeo map stand out. Try them out and see how much more engaging your maps can be. Okay? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials.